Okay, so now we are going to develop a script and a voiceover, which is pretty, again, using AI is really easy to do. So throughout this whole course, we're going to be using a plugin for ChatGPT, which is called AIPRM. Okay, and what it does, it gives you these various tools so you can expand ChatGPT. It's totally free. And it's basically a Google Chrome plugin. Okay, so what we're going to do is just go to YouTube Script Writer. Okay, YouTube Script Writer. We click on there, and let's say we want a children's video about underwater sea life. Okay, so I typed in kids video about ocean coral reefs. Okay, and it's pretty amazing what it's dished out. I mean, this, welcome young explorers to an incredible underwater adventure. Today we're going to deep dive into the mesmerizing world of ocean coral reefs. Are you ready to discover the secrets of the sea? And then it gives you even scenes that you can do if you want to put this together. You could even use this as your for your developing your scenes as well, if you want to do that for your animation videos. Just look at this, coral reefs are like bustling cities in the sea, etc. And then we're going to go into another tool that we're going to use throughout this whole course called 11 Labs. Now 11 Labs, you get so many credits for free, and it's something like $5 a month for quite a lot of here we go, let's look at subscription. I've got I know I've paid $5 or something, and I get something like 3,000 credits. So your first month is just $1 anyway, so it's definitely worth giving this a test drive. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're basically going to try and find a kids type of video, and I'm going to use a character that's a fish. So I'm going to play around and try and come up with a fish type of children's voice. And what you can do, you can basically you can go here and add generative or cloned voice. So we're going to do a voice, instant voice cloning, voice library. Let's see in the voice library if there is a kids one. So we can go to, let's see what gender, it doesn't really matter. Let's try neutral. No, let's leave it off. Gender, it doesn't matter. We want young, and I mean, because I'm British, I'm going to choose British. Let's see what comes up.
Kindness is where there is great love. I allow my intuition to lead my path.
The best thing about the future.
Whatever happens,
nothing strengthens authority so much as silence.
Okay, I'm going to go for this Edgar Nerdy. I quite like this. I think we can play around with this voice a little bit. Okay, here we go. So I've basically got nerdy fish. I put the stability at, sort of 30. Clarity around about 60, and the exaggerated style, because obviously this is a children's type of animation, I put it a little bit higher. Maybe could have gone higher. And what the clever thing about this program is, if you put exclamation marks, it's pretty good. Like it will use that as a prompt. So I've generated it, I've downloaded it. I'm going to play it next on this video so you can see what it's like.
Welcome, young explorers, to an incredible underwater adventure. Today we're diving deep into the mesmerizing world of ocean coral reefs. Are you ready to discover the secrets of the sea? Let's go. Just look at this. Coral reefs are like the bustling cities of the sea, teeming with an amazing variety of marine life. It's a sight to behold.